spindle deck flanges. When your deck wobbles out, you can get a flange that you can just take and bolt back on. They suggest spot welding it. In place. But they make them for the 3-eared spindle and the 4-eared spindle. Only thing you gotta do is go on eBay and type in spindle flanges and they'll come up. You know, there's one video of a guy showing them and it's like, this one's a 4-eared spindle. Trying to get so you can see all 4 bolts. 4-eared. They make them for 3-eared. They're all the same. They fit every damn deck, made in the USA. MTD, at their finest. Oh, it's for a Club Cadet. No, it's for a Snapper. It's for a John Deere. It's for an MTD. Lawn Boy, it don't matter. The flanges, if you got the correct flange for the right spindle, they work. So don't be fooled. Thanks for watching.